मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
Good evening, everyone. I'm Akansha Singh
And myself, Misbah Shabir of Class 10, honored as today's evening host, will ensure this program runs smoothly and keeps you entertained.
We warmly welcome you all to Day 3 of our school's 5th annual day come Christmas celebrations. Let's dive into our fascinating theme that defines our generation and shapes our future. Sagritara vibes, trending today, leading tomorrow. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Caroline Matthew, retired principal of Nirmala Senior Secondary School, and beloved parents and my dear friends.
Now, I request our headmistress, Miss Preeti Kujur ma'am, to present a bouquet to our guest of honor, Dr. Caroline Matthew ma'am, retired principal of Nirmala Senior Secondary School. Ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am, for your kind gesture.
Social media, a world where ideas are exchanged faster than the speed of light, where connections transcend borders, and where trends go viral in a matter of seconds. It also challenges us to use it wisely for a better tomorrow. Tonight, we explore the power and impact of social media, a force that is trending today and has the potential to lead us tomorrow.
So, sit back and get ready for an evening that blends entertainment, education, and reflection. Through captivating performances, thought-provoking dramas, and energetic displays, we will uncover the many shades of social media and how it shapes our lives.
Let's light up this stage with the spirit of today and the promise of tomorrow. Here's to a memorable evening ahead. Let's begin and start this exciting journey into the digital era with our first performance of the evening.
Prayer, a sacred process of connecting with God, seeking His guidance, and expressing our gratitude. To come forward and lead us into the prayer song, marking the commencement of this joyous occasion in His name, let us welcome our Class 10 students to the stage.
Monakai, Kisame
Let us all stand for the school anthem.
Mother dear, star of the sea, Sagaritara, you call us to be what we ought to learn to be really free. You teach us to walk the path that is straight, ever to be taught in life, whatever be your seed of wisdom. We look up to you, light of our education. May we shine like you. Oh, Mother dear, star of the sea, Sagaritara, you call us to grow. The evil must be thrown to light ourselves and glow. Oh, Mother dear, star of the sea, Sagaritara, you call us to be what we ought to learn to be really free.
Thank you, dear students, for filling our hearts with grace and positivity.
खुशियाँ नगमे बिखेर रही हैं, दबे दबे होठों से कुछ कह रही है। खुशियाँ नगमे बिखेर रही है, दबे दबे होठों से कुछ कह रही है। आज दिन कुछ खास है, पधारे आज प्रांगण में खास मेहमान हैं। इन्हीं खास मेहमानों के स्वागत के लिए मैं स्कूल के मैनेजर रेवरेंड फादर एल्बिनस बर्ला को मंच पर बुलाना चाहूँगी। फादर प्लीज़।
Good evening to one and all present here. वापस गुड इवनिंग नहीं बोलते हैं। सबों को नमस्कार। Most dear Dr. Caroline Matthew, retired principal of Nirmala Senior Secondary School, Reverend Sister Jasmi, you just arrived, Miss Preeti Kuchur, and my dear parents. It gives me great joy and pleasure, and with a sense of pride, I stand before you to extend a warm welcome to this show of Sagaritara School. Today is the third day of our annual day. 2 days have gone by, and today being the third day, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all present here. Our annual day is not just an event. It is a celebration of our students' talents, dedication, growth, and celebration of the spirit of Sagaritara. It is a day when we showcase the diverse abilities of our students, from academic accomplishments to their artistic and aesthetic prowess. What would be presented here on stage is in fact a replica of the hard work, creativity, planning, and painstaking dedication of the teachers and all the students. Unfortunately, the chief guest who was supposed to be coming to grace this occasion because of some important meeting with the chief secretary was not able to arrive. We regret her absence. Nevertheless, the joy that we have will not be dampened by her absence. Today I feel very honored and blessed as I stand here to extend a warm welcome to our eminent personality, Dr. Caroline Matthew. I have shared a long association with her, working together with her, being guided by her, and most of all, the inspiration that I have received from her is really indomitable. I really feel privileged that today you are here with us to grace this occasion, and I'm sure that you'll inspire all of us with your words. Your presence itself graces this whole occasion. It also gives me immense joy to welcome all the parents. आज ये आप लोगों का दिवस है क्योंकि आप लोगों के बच्चे यहाँ इस मंच पर अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन करेंगे. आप लोग न सिर्फ उसका आनंद उठाएंगे लेकिन अपने बच्चों को यहाँ इस मंच पर देखकर अवश्य आनंदित होंगे और गर्व का अनुभव भी करेंगे. तो जितने भी अभिभावक यहाँ आए हैं आज के इस कार्यक्रम में सहभागी होने के लिए, मैं आप सबों का सागरितारा स्कूल की ओर से अभिनंदन करता हूँ और आप सबों का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ. आशा है कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम में जब आप यहाँ आए हैं सचमुच में भरपूर आनंद उठाएंगे. Before I cap off, I would like to tell that Sagritara School has its own core values, and the core values that we uphold in our school is first mutual respect, integrity of our students, and a commitment towards excellence. I can speak much about it, but I don't want to extend my speech on this. But these core values we uphold and we propagate in our school, and we try to inculcate them in our own students. Without further ado, let's begin this joyous occasion and celebrate this remarkable talents and achievements of our students. May this annual day, my dear parents, be filled with joy, inspiration, and wonderful memories for all of you. It's also a Christmas celebration. At the end of the day, we shall also wish you all a very happy Christmas. So once again, welcome. सबों का स्वागत है. आनंद उठाइए आज के इस कार्यक्रम का. धन्यवाद.
That reminds us the value we hold within ourselves, making constant support and encouragement, strengthening to strive excellence in us.
Now, it's time to bring some youthful energy and excitement to the stage, taking us on a delightful journey down memory lane. Our little stars from KG2 are ready to steal your hearts with their adorable retro dance performance. Dressed in vibrant colors and full of enthusiasm, they are here to remind us of the golden era of music and dance. Let's welcome these tiny tots to On the Boat as they light up the stage with their charm and energy.
Will you sing with me? Say D. Say I. Say S. C. O. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ। I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer. La 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 la. La 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 la. मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों, दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों। ये मेरी उम्र के नौजवानों, दिल न लगाना ओ दीवानों। मैंने प्यार करके चैन खोया, नींद खोई। अरे झूठ तो कहते नहीं है, कहते नहीं है लोग कोई। ये प्यार से बढ़कर नहीं है, बढ़कर नहीं है रोग कोई। चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल से जोर कोई। चलता नहीं है दिल दे के यारो इस दिल से जोर कोई। इस रोग का नहीं है इलाज दुनिया में और कोई। तो गाओ ओ शांति ओ शांति शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति शांति ओम। अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे। अपनी तो जैसे तैसे, थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे कट जाएगी। आपका क्या होगा जनाबे आली, आपका क्या होगा। अपने आगे ना पीछे, ना कोई ऊपर नीचे। अपने आगे ना पीछे, ना कोई ऊपर नीचे। रोने वाला ना कोई रोने वाली जनाबे आली, आपका क्या होगा।
Everybody dance with Papa, everybody dance with Mama, everybody dance with Mama, everybody dance with Papa. गाके धूम मचा के सारी रात जगा के, यारों शोर मचा के, कुकु 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 कुकु। 1 2 3 4 हम सारे मस्ती के चोर। 1 2 3, 4 हम सारे मस्ती के चोर Everybody dance with Papa Everybody dance with Mama
Everybody dance with Papa. Everybody dance with Mama.
Thank you all for the scintillating performance.
As we celebrate today, it is also a time to reflect on our achievements and progress over the past years. Every milestone reached is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and teamwork of our students, teachers, and staffs. To give us a comprehensive overview of the school's accomplishments, activities, and developments, I now invite our esteemed headmistress, Ms. Preeti Kujul ma'am, to present the annual report. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Good evening, distinguished guests, parents, teachers, dear students. It is with great joy and pride that I present the annual report of Sagritara School for the academic year 2024-25. As an unaided minority educational institution run by Association of Catholic Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which stands for academic excellence, development of skills, and character formation based on the love of God and service of the humanity, as modeled in Jesus Christ, with a view to having citizens remarkable for their all-round development and commitments to God and country. We are committed to nurturing students grow academically, socially, and spiritually. Our school offers education from nursery to class 10th, has 1,276 students and dedicated team of 55 staff members, 44 teaching and 11 non-teaching staff. Academic achievement. Achieving academic excellence is at the heart of every educator's and academic institution's endeavors. We are proud to acknowledge that our school achieved a remarkable 100% result in the class 10th CBSE board examination for the academic session 2023-24. M. Bhuneshwari topped the school with 94.4% and 82% of our students secured first division. Over the past 2 years, our school has been gradually incorporating essential 21st century skills into our curriculum, empowering our students with the necessary tools to navigate the complexities of an ever-evolving world. Inter-school competitions. Our students have been actively participating in various competitions conducted by different departments and institutions, bringing laurel to our school. Some notable achievements include secured first prize in the inter-school yoga competition under 16 organized by the department, received consolation prize in the Republic Day Parade 2024, achieved second position at the CRC level in the science exhibition organized by Samagra Siksha, secured different positions in inter-school chess tournaments in different categories, secured various positions in inter-school competitions such as drawing, painting, essay, quiz, elocution, book reading, and storytelling organized by different departments like Forest, Hindi Sahitya, State Library, and Sahodaya schools. 10 students secured different positions under different category in the Bible story painting competition organized by YMCA, achieved notable rank in the adequacy test with 7 students secured different positions. These accomplishments demonstrate our students' passion, dedication, and the support and guidance provided by our dedicated teachers. These opportunities have been instrumental in nurturing the talents and potential of our students. Awareness program. Our school organized several awareness programs to educate our students on various important issues. These programs include awareness program on POCSO, child abuse, and drugs abuse was conducted by our school manager, Father Albinus Barla, for students of class 6th to 10th. Komal movie was screened, followed by a discussion on good touch and bad touch by Mrs. Neelam Dungdung, PhD, for the student of class 1 to 5th. A docent awareness program conducted by a counselor from GB Pant Hospital. Prevention and control of AIDS conducted by AIDS Control Society. Waste management awareness campaign organized by PBMC. Earthquake and fire mock drill conducted in collaboration with disaster management, fire department, and health service in the school. Celebrations. Our school enthusiastically observed and celebrated various festivals and important days throughout the year. Some of the notable events include Van Mahotsav, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, Children's Day, National Sports Day, Constitution Day, and Swachhta Hi Seva campaign 2024 initiated by CBSE was observed. Various activities conducted by the school. Study tour for class 9th students was conducted. Children visited Zoological Survey of India, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, and as a part of their community service, students participated in beach cleaning activity at Vandoor Beach. Class and house-wise sports activities and games for students from class 1 to 10th were conducted. Different theme-based houseboat competitions were conducted both at primary and secondary level. Theme-based class-wise special assemblies were conducted for students from class 2 to class 9th. On the occasion of Christmas, Social Service Week was observed. As a part of the Fit India initiative, our school organized indoor and outdoor sports activities. A farewell program was organized for the outgoing class 10th batch of 2023-24. Various co-curricular activities were conducted, which includes at primary levels, making a bookmark, storytelling, on-the-spot drawing, English elocution, card making, talent show, clay modeling, and various other activities were conducted. At secondary level, poster making, Hindi and English elocution, quiz, dance, skit, etc. Capacity building program for teachers. Our teachers have undergone a comprehensive capacity building program comprising in-house training sessions led by school heads and expert resource persons, training programs conducted by CBSE resource persons both offline and online. These programs aims to enhance our teachers' skills, update their knowledge, and equip them with best practices to deliver quality education. As we step into our 23rd year, we express our heartfelt gratitude to the management, staff, students, parents, and well-wishers for their unwavering support and trust in our institution. Together, we will continue to strive for greater heights, fostering a community rooted in compassion, learning, and resilience. With renewed energy and a shared vision, we look forward to the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, confident that Sagritara School will continue to shine as a beacon of holistic education. Thank you.
That insightful presentation of the annual report. It is truly inspiring to see the strides our school has made over the past years.
अभिभावकों के लिए सूचना। हमारे बच्चों ने आज के दिन को खास बनाने के लिए रंगारंग सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम तैयार किया है। कृपया यहाँ मौजूद रहकर उनका हौसला अफजाई करें। हम आपसे अनुरोध करते हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों को कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति यानी नेशनल एंथम के बाद ही घर लेकर जाएं।
Now we dive into the depths of the ocean with an enchanting yet meaningful dance drama by our young stars from Class 2. Our oceans, once teeming with vibrant marine life, are now facing grave challenges due to pollution, climate change, and overfishing. This performance beautifully captures the wonders of marine life, while also highlighting the consequences of human actions on these delicate ecosystems. Through their expressive storytelling and graceful movements, these young performers reminds us of the urgent need to protect our oceans and preserve their beauty for the future generation.
Welcome to the beautiful, mysterious world. Beneath the waves, a place full of color, life, and harmony. Down here, every creature, from the smallest fish to the great whales, plays an important role. Now, let us bring our focus closer to our home, the stunning Andaman Sea. A paradise filled with vibrant marine life, lush green islands, and coral reefs. The islanders here live in harmony with the ocean, enjoying fresh seafood. Marine life attracts tourism all around the world. People flock to the serene shores of the Andaman Sea, marveling at its shimmering waters and golden sands. They laugh, play, and immerse themselves in the ocean's beauty. But as the day fades, their carelessness remains.
has a place in your heart, and I know that it is love, and this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place you'll feel there's no more hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you cared enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. There are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a better space, make a better place.
Help, somebody please help me. I cannot move properly. The water is very thick and oily. Yuck, it's burning my eyes and my throat is also burning. I thought I will see colorful fish and coral, but all I saw was a graveyard of plastic and trash. The sea is dying because of us. This has to stop. I have to survive and I have to do something to help. Hello everyone. I fell into the sea. Today it was terrifying, plastic everywhere. If I struggle, imagine about the fish. We need to stop this. Will you join me?
Let's go. Plastic pollution, save our ocean. Let's all work together, hand in hand. Keep the ocean clean, protect the sand. Plastic bottles, bags, and straws, they don't belong, they hurt the cause. Save the ocean, make it blue. There's so much we all can do. Pick it up, recycle right. Keep the ocean clean and bright. Turtles, fish, and dolphins too need a home that's clean and new. No more plastic in the sea. Let's save the ocean, you and me. Save the ocean, make it blue. There's so much we all can do. Pick it up, recycle right. Keep the ocean clean and bright.
Always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down there, it's better, take it from me. Up on the shore they walk all day, out in the sun they slip away. While we floating full time to floating under the sea. Down here all the fish is happy, it's up to the wave they roll. The fish on the land unhappy, they sit cause they're in their boat. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they're in for a worse of fate. One day when the pools get hungry, cause who goes travel, life is to travel under the sea. Under the sea, still life is fitting, we got to fit it naturally. Even the stars turn on the rain, together I just start to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea.
Thank you, Class 2, for that incredible performance. It was not only captivating, but also a heartfelt reminder of our duty to take care of our oceans.
Quality content is the eye of the beholder. So it's important to create really good content that is specific, share contents that is helpful, educational, and can make a positive impression. A quality content generates leads, gets social shares, ranks well on search engines, and increases brand awareness. Through the powerful art of mime, let's shed light on the impact of social media, its influence on relationships, mental health, and society at large.
Naraja, yengeyo Naraja.
Dominga salió mille tavolo mille boda.
Instagram dilla badi badala nama balo nimasatalla sittayala. हो धोखेबाजों में रह के धोखेबाज बन गए हो धोखेबाजों में रह के धोखेबाज मौज पे ही मौज है मौज पे ही मौज है मौज पे ही मौज है मौज पे ही मौज है
Si te pido un beso, ven dámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo. Llevo tiempo intentándolo. Mami, estoy dando y dándolo. Sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace boom.
The mime truly was an eye-opener to the realities of the digital age. To hear from our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. Carolyn Matthew Ma'am, a person of immense wisdom and creativity. Ma'am is a celebrated writer and is the retired principal of Nirmala Senior Secondary School. Throughout the career, Ma'am has inspired countless minds with her passion for education, literature, leaving a lasting impact on the community. Ma'am, I kindly request you to enrich all of us with your insightful words. Ma'am, please.
Good evening, one and all present here. Respected Father Albinus Barla, Manager Sagritara School, Madam Preeti, Headmistress of Sagritara School, Sisters from Kamal School, parents, teachers, and dear children. It's really a great privilege for me to be invited here and to speak to you all. The program was so mesmerizing, particularly the miming, totally up to the present world. The way we are influenced by social media, the way we are cutting off, from our own family members, connected to the whole world, but not connected to our own people. That is the tragedy of the modern times. Today I'll speak only 3 points to the children and the parents. To the children, just maintain your individuality. And parents should support that. Every child is not the same. Children have their own talents and every child is a different individual. हर बच्चे का अपना individuality है. And parents should respect that. बच्चों को कंपेयर करना आपस में, इवन घर में दो भाई बहन हैं, वो भी एक जैसा नहीं होंगे. Find out the individuality of the child, the skill of a child, find out the talent of your child, and promote the child accordingly. Let the child not, and to children, do not copy the social media. Do not copy your friends. फ्रेंड्स ये कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी ये करना है. तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स ने 90% मार्क्स लिया, तुम्हें भी लेना है. Your friends are like that. Don't compare. Maybe your child has got more talent than the friends, okay? So motivate the child to be individuals, to know their talent, to know their own skills, and motivate for that. Today we are all influenced by the media, influenced by the society. And just now the miming we saw, how children are getting involved in that, how road accidents are taking place, how on the social media children are lost. And even, after the lockdown particularly, we see that we started teaching, online classes. And abhi bhi online classes chal raha hai. Many times, children se baat करती हैं तो बोलते हैं teachers notes online भेज देते हैं. And that's not right, बच्चे जितना ऑनलाइन में रहेंगे, their mind is going to be tuned to the online only. पेरेंट्स से बोलते हैं कि नहीं आप मुझे मोबाइल दे दो, मुझे गूगल में देखना है. होमवर्क दे दो, गूगल से कॉपी कर लेते हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ बच्चे का इंडिविजुअलिटी को हैम्पर करता है. So as parents, we are supposed to motivate the child. We are supposed to see all these things, whether the child is growing properly. And that is also to be taught to the child. अगर मीडिया है, सोशल मीडिया है, वी कैन नॉट अवॉइड दैट. उसके साथ ही बच्चे को ग्रो करना है. लेकिन क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, दैट वी कैन टीच द चाइल्ड. What is right, what is wrong, how much you can use, how much you cannot use, all these things are to be taught to the child to maintain his or her individuality. The second point that I would like to talk to the children is to always maintain the growing mindset. The mind, has to grow. And sad enough, we see that the mind is not given any importance. कॉपी खोलो, क्वेश्चन आंसर याद करो, लिखो, मेमोराइज करो. एंड दिस इज हैपनिंग इन द हाउसेस ऑल्सो. पेरेंट्स भी ज़्यादा फोकस वही में लगाते हैं. एंड द सैड पार्ट इज, जो बच्चे ने 3rd में पढ़ा होगा, 4th में पढ़ा होगा, अब ये नेक्स्ट सेशन शुरू होगा, अब पूछिए, चाइल्ड डजंट नो. क्योंकि जो भी लर्न किया था, जो भी पढ़ा था, एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से पढ़ा था. And when you learn from the examination point of view, then you don't learn properly. Exam खत्म हुआ, जो याद किया सब खत्म हो गया. Make your child to learn for life. जो भी सीखें बच्चे, जिंदगी के लिए सीखें. They learn it for life. Just like we learn the alphabets, nursery class में ABCD सिखा दिए. लेकिन अभी बच्चे जब 10th standard में आते हैं, मैं देखती हूँ 12th standard में आते हैं, they're not able to write proper sentences. ढंग से सेंटेंस लिखना नहीं आ रहा है उनको. या नो, दैट इज नॉट इंग्लिश. मेक देम टू रीड. बच्चे रीडिंग नहीं कर पाते हैं. एक्स्ट्रा रीडिंग करवाइए, स्टोरी बुक्स लेकर दीजिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग द मोबाइल्स, यू बाय देम स्टोरी बुक्स. मेक देम टू रीड द स्टोरी बुक्स. इट विल ओपन द माइंड. जितना माइंड इनका ओपन होगा, उतना थिंकिंग करेंगे. थिंक करना नहीं चाहते हैं. And when you don't think, you don't learn also. So mind को जितना भी हम thought देंगे, the mind will produce the thoughts. और वो thought produce करने के लिए we have to think. जैसा भी एक डोर है, डोर बंद रहता है. सपोज 6 महीना से डोर बंद पड़ा है, और 6 महीना के बाद जब आप डोर खोलोगे तो क्या होगा? What will happen? It's already rusted, the hinges and all. It makes noise. It doesn't open properly. Same thing happens to the mind also. You have to give food to the mind to think, imagine things. And until and unless we provide opportunities for the child to think, to imagine, the child's mind will not grow. So always the child should be open for, to think, to imagine, do things on yourself. Don't mug up and write. ज़्यादा mugging करना, ज़्यादा कॉपी करके लिखना, all those things are not very good. So provide ample chances to the child to open the mind, to maintain mind growth. And that will happen, when you learn for your life. Not learning for exams. Exams are not very important, Exams है, ठीक है. कभी कभी आप देखिए बच्चे 95% लेने के बाद, एक 15-20 साल बाद आप देखिए 95% लिया क्लास 12th में, आइलैंड में रैंक लिया, अभी कहाँ है? कभी कोई बैंक में काम कर रहा है. और कोई बच्चा जो है 70% मार्क्स लिया, अभी द चाइल्ड इज डूइंग सो वेल इन द लाइफ, बहुत आगे पहुंच गया. तो यू कांट कंपेयर विद मार्क्स फॉर द चाइल्ड. मार्क्स को लेकर मार्किंग कितना आया, परसेंटेज कितना आया, डोंट फोकस ऑन दैट. Let the mind of the child grow, and the child should have that thought. मुझे मेरा mind में सोचने का उनको मौका दीजिए, रीडिंग करने का मौका दीजिए. And these things are very, very essential. And third point that I want to talk is that children must have empathy and kindness in life. Empathy, like sympathy, we have empathy also. Sympathy, you have compassion for others. And empathy is when you're able to understand the other person in front of you, the problem the person is facing, the sorrow the person is facing, that you put yourself in the shoes of that person, that is called empathy. और बच्चों में आजकल empathy खत्म हो रहा है. And that empathy and kindness is very, very important for the society to move on. For life to move on this earth, we need to be kind to one another. जब हम घर में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे काइंडनेस, when we are rude to the children in the house, you cannot expect the child to be kind to another student in the class. So whatever values, we are giving to the child, the values are carried on by the child to the society. And that is what the child grows with. Every day, every day passes on. Every moment that we pass, we are learning in life. Life any class mein chala gaya, book khola, pad liya. No, there's not life. Every second, every moment we are learning in life. And that opportunity we have to provide to the child. Those values we need to provide to the child. And I know that parents are very supportive. Buying things is not support. सामान बाजार से मंगा दिए, जो चाहिए बोलो मैं ला के दे दिया, क्या ड्रेस चाहिए, क्या प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए, I'll do it for you. That is not support. The bondage, between parents and the child. Sorry. That bondage is very important. और जब आप emotionally बच्चे से attach रहोगे, emotionally बच्चे को support करोगे, your child will do wonders. And so it's very important that we try to be kind. We develop empathy in the child. अभी देखा आपने कि जो ocean का pollution कैसा हो रहा है. People are coming, eating, throwing away. No consideration for anyone. You see, morning up, Marina Park में चले जाओ, Marina Beach में चले जाओ. मैं जाती हूँ walking करने, देखती हूँ वहाँ में. कार में आते हैं, बाइक में आते हैं, एक पोटली लेकर आएंगे, ऐसा फ्लैश समुंदर में. और जब वो अनरैप होता है ओशन ना, समुंदर रखता नहीं अपने पास कोई भी गंदगी को, अनरैप करते. थोड़ी देर बाद देखो बेबी का डायपर पड़ा है, सैनिटरी नैपकिन पड़ा है, खाने का सब्जी पड़ा है, जबकि घर के सामने भी कहीं ना कहीं तो आपके पास बिन्स होगा. बट पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर. दिस अवेयरनेस वी हैव टू गिव टू द चिल्ड्रन. स्कूल्स आर प्रोवाइडिंग. अभी आपने देखा स्कूल ने जब ये प्रोग्राम किया तो स्कूल ने बच्चों को सिखाया है, दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज राइट. But how we promote those values in life, that is very important. So dear parents, I see more parents today. So dear parents, that's a message for you. Let your child grow as an individual. बच्चा आपका इंडिविजुअल है, उसको रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए, उसके स्किल्स को पहचानिए, बच्चे क्या बनना चाहता है. डोंट इम्पोज योर सेल्फ ऑन द चाइल्ड. मैं ये बनना था, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना था, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना था, मैं नहीं बन पाया, तुमको बनना है. नो, दैट्स रॉन्ग. बच्चे का अपना कुछ थॉट होगा. इम्पॉर्टेंट इज यू अंडरस्टैंड द थॉट ऑफ द चाइल्ड, यू सपोर्ट द चाइल्ड, एंड देन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ग्रो द माइंड ऑफ द चाइल्ड. बच्चे का माइंड ग्रो कराइए, रीडिंग का मटीरियल दीजिए, घर पे टाइम स्पेंड कीजिए बच्चे के साथ, अवे फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया. Value times are very important. No, family relations, those times are very important. अभी बहुत बार घर में क्या होता है, चार जने चार कोना बैठकर मोबाइल लेके बैठते हैं ना, बच्चों से बात कोई नहीं करता है. So those things, it hampers the child's growth. And finally, be kind to the children and let the child grow with empathy and kindness. So thank you, Father, and thank you, Preeti ma'am, for inviting me. God bless you all. Thank you.
Amazing and motivating words.
Up next, we take a step back into the rich cultural heritage of our country with a folk dance performance by the talented students of class 7th. India is a land of diversity, and its folk dances reflect the vibrant traditions and unique stories of different regions. Today, our class 7 students will showcase a lesser known folk dance of India, one that celebrates the beauty of a tradition that might not be familiar but is deeply rooted in our cultural history. Let us cheer these young performers as they bring this art form of life with their energy, colors, and rhythm.
India's culture has always fascinated us, and by this performance, I will take you to different states and show you the way of celebrating their culture through the unexplored folk dances. This time of the year, when the mountains are calling, and I can't wait to explore the tranquility that awaits beyond the city. Garhwali folk dance is a traditional dance form that originated in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. This vibrant dance is characterized by energetic movements, intricate footwork, and rhythmic
गोली राधा श्याधा रे ओ खाली राधा धन कुटोला गोली राधा
आरुणी कुंडली राधा आरुणी कुंडली राधा आरुणी कुंडली राधा आरुणी कुंडली राधा गांधी माधुरी राधा खेर की गजली राधा सिर माधुरी राधा योनी गाली सुपी राधा
completely captivated by the rhythm and grace of this dance. It's if the mountains themselves are alive in every moment. Now, let's move to the eastern part of the country. Located in western Odisha, Sambalpur is a city rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. The Jhumar dance of Sambalpur in Odisha is a traditional folk dance form that reflects the rich cultural heritage of the region. It is predominantly performed by the tribal communities, especially during harvest festivals and celebrations. The way the dancers in Sambalpur flow with the music, their steps perfectly in sync with the beat, left us absolutely mesmerized. As every one of us crave for some idli dosa, but one aspect of the southern state which remain unexplored is its folk dance. Kolattam is a folk dance that is originated in the southern state of India, particularly in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. A group of women perform the dance, each holding two short wooden sticks, and move them in rhythm to create specific patterns while singing folk songs.
പാടായോ ഓടിവാരായി ആലിനിക്കണ്ണാ വേഗമകനി ഉടൻ നാടായോ പാടായോ ഓടിവാരായി ആലിനിക്കണ്ണാ വേഗമകനി ഉടൻ നാടായോ പാടായോ ഓടിവാരായി ഉടൻ നാടായോ പാടായോ ഓടിവാരായി கனகச்சிலம்பும் ஒலிக்கும் காடும் மேடும் புத்திருக்கு கனகத்துழரும் வந்தார் கனகச்சிலம்பும் ஒலிக்கும் ஆலிலை கண்ணா வேகமாக நீ உடன் ஆடாயோ பாடாயோ ஓடிவாராய் ஆலிலை கண்ணா வேகமாக நீ உடன் ஆடாயோ பாடாயோ ஓடிவாராய்
The rhythmic precision, the bright costumes, and the infectious energy of the dancers had us completely entranced. For last destination, we are going to the famous tourist spot at Western Park. Can you guess where we are going? It's Goa. The Kunbi dance is a traditional folk dance of Goa, performed by the Kunbi community. This energetic and vibrant dance is a celebration of the community's rich cultural heritage.
कडी खातां आमी नुस्तें गरोयतां आमी कोंकणी उलयतां आनी गोंया आमचो गांव आमी शीत कडी खातां आमी नुस्तें गरोयतां आमी कोंकणी उलयतां आनी गोंया आमचो गांव कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करया राजभास 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 देवळांत वेतां आमी इगोर्जेन वेतां आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतां देवळांत वेतां आमी इगोर्जेन वेतां आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयतां कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करया राजभास 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 गाजयतां आमी कांतारां म्हणटां आमी फुगडी गाजयतां पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव आमी मुस्क वाजयतां आमी कांतारां म्हणटां आमी फुगडी गाजयतां पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करया राजभास कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच करया राजभास
The dancer's energy and the rhythmic beat of the music fill the air with such positivity, and the colorful costumes only added to the charm. As we wrap up this incredible journey through India, I am left in awe of how diverse yet unified this country is. From the vibrant dances to the rich traditions, each region adds its unique flavor to the beautiful mosaic of Indian culture, and together they create something truly extraordinary.
सरगम के मीठे मीठे सुर घोलो, बिंद को शुमार दिन में गाय लो।
हे आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने, सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने, सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने। आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो, हे बिंद को शुमार बिंद में गाय लो। हे आया हूँ मैं प्यार का ये नगमा सुनाने, सारी दुनिया को एक सुर में सजाने, सबके दिलों से नफरत को मिटाने। आओ यारो मेरे संग संग बोलो,
What an incredible performance showcasing the beauty of diverse folk traditions. Thank you, dear friends.
It's time for a heartwarming and festive presentation that captures the spirit of the season. Our young artists from class 4th have prepared a beautiful Christmas tableau that brings to life the joy, peace, and love that this season represents. Through their thoughtful arrangements and expressions, they will recreate the essence of Christmas, a celebration of goodwill, togetherness, and the timeless story that unites people across the world. Please welcome the Class 4 students.
लगभग 2000 साल पहले इज़राइल के लोग एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण घटना का इंतजार कर रहे थे। उन्होंने एक पुरानी कहानी सुनी थी कि परमेश्वर उनके लिए एक नया राजा भेजेगा, एक ऐसा राजा जो सबकी रक्षा करेगा और उन्हें अपनी शांति और आज़ादी देगा।
ये नहीं मालूम कि हमारा नया राजा कब तक आएगा। हमारे बाप दादा परदादा ये कह गए हैं कि वो आएगा जरूर।
हाँ, वो कहते थे कि वो आएगा।
हाँ, पर कब?
फिर एक दिन नाजरत के शहर में मरियम नामक एक कुंवारी लड़की के पास अचानक एक स्वर्गदूत आ पहुंचा।
कौन है आप?
मरियम, मत डर, मैं स्वर्गदूत जिब्राइल तेरे लिए एक सुसमाचार लाया हूँ।
सुसमाचार? मेरे लिए?
जाति की सारी महिलाओं में से परमेश्वर ने तुझे चुना है कि तू गर्भवती होगी और परमेश्वर के पुत्र को जनेगी।
परमेश्वर ने मुझे चुना है? ये कैसे हो सकता है?
परमेश्वर के लिए सब कुछ संभव है। तू एक पुत्र जनेगी और वह परमेश्वर का पुत्र कहलाएगा और तू उसका नाम यीशु रखना।
जैसा परमेश्वर चाहता है वैसा ही हो।
मरियम की यूसुफ नाम के एक लड़के से मंगनी हुई थी। एक रात एक स्वर्गदूत यूसुफ के पास आया।
यूसुफ, परमेश्वर के पास तुम्हारे लिए एक अद्भुत योजना है। मरियम एक पुत्र जनेगी और वह एक महान राजा होगा। वह शांति का राजकुमार कहलाएगा और तुम उसका नाम यीशु रखना।
मरियम, मेरी मरियम।
उसके पश्चात मरियम और यूसुफ का विवाह हो गया था। ये उस समय की घटना है जब रोमी सम्राट अगस्तस केसर जनगणना के लिए प्रदेश के सब लोगों को आदेश दिया था कि सब अपने अपने पैतृक जगह में लौट जाएं। यूसुफ मरियम के साथ अपने पैतृक भूमि बेथलेहम की ओर चल दिया। बेथलेहम बहुत दूर था।
चरवाहा भाई, क्या आप बता सकते हैं बेथलेहम कितना दूर है?
ये बहुत ही लंबा सफर है, लगभग 70 मील दूर।
धन्यवाद। चिंता मत करो मरियम।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मैं तुम्हारे पास सुरक्षित महसूस कर रही हूँ।
क्योंकि मरियम गर्भवती थी और उसका प्रसव का समय निकट था।
परमेश्वर आपके साथ हो और आपके साथ भी।
उस दिन उन्हें मीलों का सफर तय करना पड़ा।
हम आधे से ज्यादा रास्ता तय कर चुके हैं।
हम जल्द ही पहुँच जाएंगे।
ये लो मरियम, ठंडा पानी, तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा।
शुक्रिया, मुझे बहुत प्यास लग रही है।
सुनिए, क्या आप जानती हैं सराय कहाँ है?
जी हाँ, इसी रास्ते पे थोड़ी ही दूरी में है।
अच्छा,
ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा है।
परमेश्वर आपके साथ हो
और आपके साथ भी।
हम नजदीक पहुंच चुके हैं।
हम पहुंच गए।
कौन? अरे धक्का मत दो।
हमें एक कमरे की जरूरत है।
अरे कमरा तो सबको चाहिए, पर यहाँ तो जगह ही नहीं है और मेरे पति किसी को मना ही नहीं करते। लगता आज हमें रसोई घर में ही सोना पड़ेगा।
हम काफी दिनों से यात्रा कर रहे हैं।
अरे क्या चल रहा है यहाँ?
इनको एक कमरा चाहिए और क्या।
माफ करना मेरे दोस्त, यहाँ तो बिल्कुल जगह ही नहीं है।
मेरी पत्नी बहुत थकी हुई है।
हम बहुत दूर से आए हैं।
बाकी लोग भी तो दूर से ही आ रहे हैं।
और मेरी पत्नी गर्भवती है।
देखता हूँ मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ। हाँ, मेरे पास एक गौशाला है जो जानवरों से भरा हुआ है, पर कम से कम आपके सर के ऊपर एक छत होगा। बाहर के ठंड से बच जाओगे और सुरक्षित भी रहोगे।
शुक्रिया, आपने बहुत मदद किया।
आओ, मैं तुम्हें ले चलता हूँ। तुम्हें साथ देने के लिए मेरे सारे जानवर हैं। शायद तुम्हें यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत आराम मिल जाए। माफ करना, मैं इससे और कुछ बेहतर नहीं कर सकता।
शुक्रिया।
आपका बहुत धन्यवाद। चलो, एक जगह तो मिल गया।
हम बालक का नाम रखेंगे
यीशु।
उसी रात के दौरान एक बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक घटना हुई।
मैं उसे कपड़े में लपेट देती हूँ। उसे अच्छा और गर्म लगेगा। चढ़नी में वो सो जाएगा।
मरियम और यूसुफ बालक यीशु से बहुत ज्यादा प्रेम करने लगे। बालक यीशु परमेश्वर के प्रेम और सुरक्षा में चढ़नी में लेटा हुआ था। पूरा स्वर्ग तैयार था बालक यीशु का जन्म का संदेश फैलाने के लिए।
Christmas.
DJ Soy Mix.
DJ Jam.
What a truly magical performance by Class 4th, capturing the warmth and joy of the Christmas season.
Heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed to making today's event a success. To deliver the vote of thanks, I now invite our esteemed teacher, Mrs. Bindya Singh, GTT English, teacher representative of GTTs on behalf of Sagritara family.
From tireless hands to guiding minds, in every effort, success binds. So here I stand with gratitude true to say thank you to all of you. Honorable guest of honor, distinguished guest, Vice Principal, Carmel Senior Secondary School, Manager, Sagatara School, Headmistress, teachers, parents, and dear students. A very good evening to everyone. As we come to the close of this memorable third day of our 5th Annual Day celebrations, it is my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to all those who made this day successful. First and foremost, let us bow our heads in gratitude to the Almighty, whose grace and blessings have made today's event a resounding success. I also express my sincere gratitude to our guest of honor, Dr. Mrs. Carolyn Matthew, retired Principal, Nimla Senior Secondary School, for gracing the occasion with her presence and inspiring us with her thought-provoking address. Your words have left a lasting impression on us, ma'am. I also extend my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed management, whose vision, leadership, and support are the pillars on which this institution stands. A special note of appreciation goes to our headmistress, Ms. Preeti Kuju, for her vision, guidance, and unwavering support in organizing this event. Now, on behalf of everyone involved, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the principal, Sister Alfonza, sisters and staffs of Carmel Senior Secondary School for providing us with the space, technical support, and all the necessary arrangements to make this annual day a grand success. Your generosity and cooperation have truly made this event possible, and we deeply appreciate your benevolence. My gratitude to our talented teachers and staff. Your tireless efforts, creativity, and teamwork have ensured the smooth execution of this function. Your commitment is truly commendable. I would also like to thank the organizing committee, the technical team, and all the volunteers who worked behind the scenes to ensure the event's success. I also extend my warm thanks to our parents and guardians who took the time to join us and encourage our efforts. Last but not the least, to our wonderful students, your performances have truly been the highlight of the evening. Your hard work, enthusiasm, and energy have made this day unforgettable. Your creativity and talent brought life to the stage and filled these 3 days with joy and inspiration. Let us carry the spirit of joy, togetherness, and inspiration of these days and continue to strive for excellence in everything we do. Thank you once again. Wish you a very happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. Thank you.
As we conclude the 3-day of 5th Annual Day cum Christmas celebration of our school for the session 2024-25, let us take a moment to reflect on the unforgettable moments, remarkable talents, and incredible sense of unity that have made this event truly special.
This vibrant and joyous celebration has been filled with enthusiasm, energy, and heartfelt efforts from the entire Sagritara School family. It has been a delightful and memorable journey, successfully demonstrating achievements while emphasizing the importance of coordination, creativity, and determination. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you all for being a part of our special celebration. We wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We are not just scrolling, we are shaping the future. Let's lead with wisdom, passion, and purpose in the digital age. With this quote, we draw this beautiful occasion to a close. Let's stand together in unity and honor our nation.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ